Alright, y'all. Found a new little spot out here in the middle of the oil fields out here in Kern County. We're gonna go ahead and let you check it out from there, but just figured I'd give you a little heads up what's going on and what's cracking today. You guys have a good one.
God gave me two options. Take the blue pill, stay where you're at with your sorry self and your mediocre life, or take the red pill, be born again. Step into the unknown and I will reveal mysteries to you. Which one you want? Wake up, read the Bible, better get yourself a rifle. I'm in it for survival, I get it how I'm living and I'm winning, better get into revival. I don't care about the title, blue pill, green pill, white pill, red. You can't see cause you are dead. You can't breathe, be born again. You're not free, you're in it then. Y'all claim y'all woke, y'all lame, y'all jokes. Y'all playing yourself, y'all take that poke. That COVID-19, y'all take a vaccine, I'll break that hoax. Y'all won't smoke, stop playing around. Trespass on my land, I'll be laying it down. Fast in advance, you don't stand a chance. I got a wall of fire, I'll be bringing it down, man. Y'all need the gospel. Y'all don't want it, y'all just wanna pop bottles. Y'all don't want a job, y'all just wanna be coddled. Y'all don't wanna talk, you just wanna be hostile. There ain't too many guys like me. Put it down for God, expose lies like me. But you don't wanna get real, I might get killed, but forget it, give me the red pill. Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill. Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill.
Get your head filled with these red pills. Pick up Bible love, read Revelation. Do you think he dead still? Anti for running mouths just like it's on the treadmill. Are you a Christian? No, just talk the talk with your legs still. Ooh, the word is the word, do not add or subtract. Exercise Second Amendment, don't lack. Don't care if you white, brown, yellow, or you black. Grab you a Bible and get you a strap. Dribble like confused with pronouns and genders. Evil come from Christians and the good come from sinners. I know this may come as a surprise to beginners, but we have been waiting because we remember what we was told. Satan is coming for all of our souls. They killing babies, just look at the toll. They want division while they take control. Have to get loud and we have to get bold. Stand on our beliefs and show them we won't fold. They take advantage when we let them go. It's time to get up and just let them all know we would not bow down and we don't negotiate. I wanna serve God, get married, then procreate. My job is to spread the word. Do you even know the faith? You can't stop it now, my G. You should know you late.
Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill. Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill. Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill. Now that I can see you took the chains that bound me, now I'm free. I was lost and I was gone, exhausted, steady, walking on a treadmill. Now I'm born again, I took a chance with the red pill.
Killed that battery. Murdered it.